On this video, I'm going to show you how to install the AMRU Designs SVD PSL 7.62x54R magazine extension. Only tool you'll need is a 2.5mm hex key. First thing we're going to do is remove the two screws holding the spacers on the back of the extension. Next, we will remove the floor plate on the magazine. Just press the bottom plate, slide it off, keep it depressed, and then take the back of the extension, sliding from the front of the magazine, slide it across. Most of the time, your bottom plate will not catch. I like to just pop it with an Allen key so it's seated nicely in there. Next, put your spacer on top. You'll notice it's slotted, and we'll get our screws started. Don't need to tighten them just yet. Okay, and then we want to, while keeping pressure, pushing forward on the spacer so it tightens everything up, we will tighten down our screws. Don't have to be crazy tight, just nice and snug. Okay. And then just double check that there's no forward to back play. There you go, all installed.